Hello, George here with another session from the Success Challenge for Affiliate Marketing from the 4%. This time we're going to cover Section 8. I've covered the previous sessions in earlier videos. They're on the blog. I'll leave a link below to the blog so you can catch up on any of those sessions if you missed it. Let me bring up my screen and we'll go through this session. So here's Session 8. We started off with a checkpoint, which Vick took us back through what we needed to have completed before we got into this session. So that brought us up to date, make sure we were ready for this continuing session. In Step 2, he went further into the process that he uses to publish his YouTube videos. It's quite a system, and I'm not going to cover it here in this video. But Vick does an exceedingly good job on this session, Step 2, to cover exactly how he sets up his YouTube videos to win. He shows how he does the research, how he comes up with the title, using a long keyword that people are actually looking for, searching for on the internet. Then he goes through the process of completing the various description and the keywords for the video. And he does this all ahead of time before he ever records the video. So once he has this all set up, he then saves it and then he records the video. And after he's recorded the video, he uploads it to, in this case, YouTube. All the work he did before, he adds on to that recorded video and publishes it, and he has had remarkable success in getting in front of the audience and what they're actually looking for. So he now has thousands of views after only a few months of having videos online and published. So in the next Step 3, he went through the hub content, syndication, some extensions to this, how you can use the work that you do once to publish it in multiple places so that you get the maximum use of it and the maximum views. The idea is to, if you record a video, for instance, you want to also publish it as a blog, and then you can send an email to your list and tell them, hey, I just recorded a new blog, go here to watch it now. And you get additional views for your YouTube videos that way. What the goal here is to minimize the amount of work that we have to do and to maximize the effect for the work that we do. And of course, we're building views on YouTube, and we're building people who subscribe to our YouTube channel. And in the future, we will be able to target these people with ads that will then bring them to certain offers that we have that we would like to have them have. So this is another way to build upon the work that you do and to get on to making sales. You know, these people who have watched your video or subscribed to your channel are now warm traffic that you can send these ads to, and they will respond at a much higher rate than when you just send cold traffic to your ads. So that's the whole idea here. In Step 8, we have now built the foundation for our business, and in future sessions, we're going to start building on top of that foundation and actually running traffic to our offers, making sales, bringing people into our VIP club, our inner circle, and to start giving value to that group so that we can build a close working VIP inner circle so that they can watch me build my business and I can help them build theirs through the training that's provided by the 4%. Let me bring myself back on screen. So that's what I wanted to tell you about Session 8. We're moving right along. Things are getting better and better. And with Section 9 and beyond, we're actually going to start making sales and bringing money into the business so that we can launch more ads and produce more business and build our team and start interfacing with the team and building that relationship that'll help us all build our business to the dream business that we all want. That's pretty much what I wanted to say on this one. Next time we'll be building the business, starting on this firm foundation, and start to build it toward that $1 million business that we've decided to build. If you have not, click on the button below and subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell so you'll be notified when I post future videos. I will see you on a future video. Thanks for watching. Bye now.